Here's a quick video to show you how to repair a crack in your windshield. Just like this one right here. You can do this yourself and don't need to worry about paying the price with this product right here. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the resin, find these plastic sheets, and a razor. That's all you're gonna need. Right, our first step is we need to clean the area. Then we're gonna let that dry, and that's gonna let the resin do the job. Now that you have the area nice and clean, you're just gonna take the resin, place it right onto the cracks. Then you're gonna take a piece of the film, place it right over. Then we're gonna use the razor, and we're gonna smooth out all the bubbles that we see on the film. All right, now that we have it smoothed out, we're simply gonna let this sit for about 10 to 30 minutes. Let it do its job. All right, now we've had it sitting here for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. Peels off nice and easy. And your final step is just take the razor blade. We're just gonna scrape up all the excess resin that's on the windshield. All right, now the resin is down into the cracks. It's gonna harden and keep this thing from spidering, helping your windshield last. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.